So we will talk about the life jacket. Okay, the life jacket requirement. What is the international requirement of the life jacket as per SOLAS and as per LSA code? So I have a life jacket in my hand. First of all, there are total 3 type of life jacket, 3 sizes of life jacket. One is adult. The adult life jacket is in my hand. So the requirement is, it is for a person whose weight is 43 or more in kg and the height is 155 or more in centimeter. Okay, if it is less, then we have to give him the child life jacket. And for a baby which is newly born, there are inflatable life jackets. So total 3 sizes of life jacket is there. On board ship we are using always the adult, and if some kids are there, then we are using the child life jacket. So how we are going to use it? We just have to open the lashing. Okay, we have to open the buckle and put overhead. Okay, then bring it close and make fast. Put the quick buckle again. Okay, it is not as per my size, means already prepared for my size. That is why I am little bit struggling, but it's okay. Now I put it in place. Okay, so this. So one more thing, in the old times, okay, this was with the hand, with the knot type, but this one is a new regulation. This has to be a quick opening and quick closing type. Okay, like a buckle. If you have the life jacket on board ship which is of the knot type, it means we have to make first a knot. That is already isolated. Okay, you are using the old life jacket, please go and order for a new life jacket. Okay, so this is the requirement. And I will explain you one more thing. Okay, so the requirement of wearing, how much time it takes me? Only hardly 20 to 25 seconds. So as per the international regulation, the requirement is we should wear the life jacket within 1 minute. How many minutes? Within 1 minute we should wear the life jacket. This is the requirement as per LSA code. So don't forget, when you go on board for the first time, you should practice how to wear the life jacket. Okay, and it is comfortable to wear and correct. So that's all for the important part. Other is technical, we don't have to worry about the technical things. So this is the operational part. If you like the video, please thumbs up. See you next video. Thank you.